Want to learn how to do a Russian pedicure? Then stick around. This will be part 1. I will be focusing on my cuticles and nails, making sure they're nice and neat. Russian pedicures require no water. However, in part 2, I'm going to show you how to keep your feet nice and smooth. But for this video, we're only going to focus on the cuticle work, which is Russian pedicure. I have 2 drills and I really prefer the other one, but it died and I didn't have time to charge it. So I'm going to use this plug-in drill, which is pretty good. I'm starting off with removing the top layers of my gel polish so that I can go in with my gel polish remover, which is truly a lifesaver, and I'll show you shortly. Please make sure you're going at a decent speed. You do not, I repeat, you do not want to go on a high speed because you can potentially damage your natural nails and make them thinner and weaker, and that will hurt. So please go at a good speed. Now let me put you on this gel polish remover. I got this from Amazon and I will be linking this in the description down below, and it will be in my Amazon storefront. When I tell you this saves me so much time and it doesn't damage your natural nails, because I feel like if you're a beginner and you're e-filing, you can potentially go too far and damage your nails. I feel like this is great for beginners. Honestly, for anyone, this just saves so much time. So after I apply it on my right foot, I'm going to switch to my left foot and begin to e-file the top layer off and then apply the gel polish remover again on my left foot. And it may look like I'm being a bit rough, but I'm really not. I sped up the video to make sure that the video wouldn't be so long. Also, you may be wondering, why do I have a line on each foot? That's because I had surgery, so ignore my surgery scars. I'm going to switch back to my right foot and use my cuticle pusher to push back the gel polish. When I do my own Russian pedicures, it takes me so long, but when I'm doing clients, I'm pretty fast. Again, be gentle. Although it looks like I'm not being gentle, I promise you, I'm being gentle. I'm just making sure that I removed almost all of the gel polish. So then I can go in with my sanding bit and remove anything that was left behind. This is one of my favorite parts, using the sanding bit and the other different bits I'll be showing you guys. I'm gonna dust that and push back to see how much cuticle I actually have. Now I'm going to switch back to my left foot and repeat the same process by pushing the cuticle and gel polish off my nail plate. I'm curious to know how many of you guys ever tried a Russian pedicure. Please comment down below. I would love to hear about it. Russian manicures and pedicures are literally life-changing. You just feel so fresh, so clean, so beautiful after getting them done. And then the best part about it is that it will last you a few weeks, up to 6 weeks or more. And the shine never leaves because we use gel polish. If you're not using gel polish, baby, I don't know what to tell you. How can I convince you to switch over to gel polish? I promise you, you will love it on this side. Now that I'm done using my sanding bit, I'm going to dust, and go ahead and switch my bit. I absolutely love this bit right here. Oh my God. This right here, baby, those cuticles, you can kiss them goodbye. I can literally feel my heart smiling as soon as I place this cuticle bit on my toe. Seriously. I don't know about you guys, but I've been to chop shops before to get pedicures, and I would get so frustrated when they leave the cuticle there and just try to top it with oil so that I can't see, not knowing that I'm a nail tech and I know what you're doing. Oh Lord, it would drive me crazy. Which is why I never really went to chop shops, and I started my nail tech journey really young at 15. My mother sent me to Dominican Republic, and I literally went to nail school during the summer. Comment down below if you would love to hear about my journey to become a nail tech at 15 and just my entire nail tech beauty journey. It's been crazy. Especially because I literally do everything. Child, that's a story for another video. Now we're going to continue those same exact steps on the opposite foot. As I'm prepping my toes, I'm thinking, like, what color am I going to do? Like, I want to do something different, but then I always go to my same old, same old. So comment down below. Let me know what color you think I should do. It's so rewarding seeing all that cuticle come off. I'm going to switch my bit to this other amazing bit that I love. It just gets your cuticles so good. Like, oh my God, like, literally, I'm just, ugh. I mean, just look at it. Look at the details. Let me be quiet so you can enjoy this. And once again, repeat on the opposite foot. Here I switched the bit. You can't see it, but it's a different bit, which I also love. Here I'm dusting off again, and I guess I swapped the bit to the previous one. That must be my favorite bit. I know I've been raving about those previous bits, but this bit right here, Lord Jesus, it's my favorite freaking bit. Every nail tech needs to own this bit. I don't care. I don't want to hear it. This bit smooths that cuticle down and the nail plate at the same time. I mean, this is the bit that I adore the most, hands down. And I like to use it to smooth the hard skin around the nail. What? You can use this on your skin too? Yes, I know I do at a good speed. Do not put this bit on your skin on a high speed. Seriously, I'm not joking. You know the drill. Repeat on the opposite foot. The cuticles are coming off so smoothly that honestly, I don't even think I need to use my nipper. Because what cuticle? Baby, they're gone. If you enjoy this type of content, go ahead and please give me a like and make sure you subscribe to the channel and become part of La Familia. Now I'm going to use my final bit, which is my round bit. This is the bit I use to finish the prep. And you already know, whatever you do on one foot, you do on the other. Now that I completed e-filing, I'm going to use my cuticle pusher to see how much of the cuticles were left behind and if I have to trim anything. This is where a regular Russian pedicure will use the nippers to cut the remaining cuticles. But remember, I'm going to show you a bonus. Now I'm going to dip my feet in water after doing the steps. But if you're doing a Russian pedicure, you do not dip your feet in water. This is just a bonus to show you how to keep those paws nice and smooth all winter long. So make sure you come back for part 2, where I will be giving you a bonus tip on how to keep your feet nice and smooth all winter long. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, mis amores. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so that you can be a part of La Familia. See you in the next one. Mwah.